57. White hairs. Recently, on a trip to another state, I met a man who was over 50 but looked about 35. He had never held a job in his life. A relative had left him an income which gave him a better-than-average standard of living. He was a kindly man, an earnest believer, but he lacked maturity. I was reminded of a couple I knew slightly, both now dead, who were wealthy, never worked, and travelled all over the world. They too were surprisingly youthful in appearance almost to the last. Neither of them seemed really to age. I realised that it was in part because they had never worked, and so their appearance never gained the set look of maturity. I felt sorry for them. Scripture tells us, "The hoary head is a crown of glory if it be found in the way of righteousness." Proverbs 16:31. When white hairs go hand in hand with God's righteousness, they mean wisdom and understanding in the Lord. They're an evidence of experience in and with grace in life's battles. They are, then, God says, a crown of glory. To age in grace is thus an honour and a privilege in the sight of God, whatever some men and women may think. Youth is good, but we overvalue youth nowadays because we undervalue maturity with grace. Maturity means responsibility, whereas our youth culture prizes irresponsibility. Unless we die young, old age and white hairs will come to virtually all of us. We can regard it with distaste and horror, lie about our age, dye our hair, and pretend to be forever young, but the years don't cease coming for all of that. We then grow old in foolishness, and our years bring us misery because we are not in grace. A crown of glory is a better choice.